One of my secrets to successfully day trading on the lower time frames was switching my perspective of the market by literally switching what type of chart I used. In today's video, I'm going to show you how trading using range bars can open up opportunities that you wouldn't be able to see otherwise. Now, the question is, and some of you guys think this in real life, so can you take advantage of this? I would say sure, but it's risky. It's very, very hard to take advantage of it up here, because you don't necessarily know if this is good. Like at the time, you don't know that it's going to continue or spike down. Now, once it's done, you can look for clues like all over the place, like we saw in Euro Yen, Pound Yen, where we have spikes like this. That's a little bit of a longer play. But if you're looking for the short term kind of play, I would say it's going to be very risky. If anything, and this is what Gregory spoke about the other day, if anything, it may be worth going down to like a lower time frame and look for clues. So let me load up. So here's a good example. Let's load up a range bar chart. So what do you guys see here on a range bar chart? That is a little bit different than the information on another chart. What information? And a range bar, if you're not familiar, range bar chart is it's a tick based chart. So market doesn't move on a specific time duration. It moves every time price moves in a specific range. This is a 5 range. So every time the market moves in a range of 5 pips, a new candle is created. Less spikes. What else do we see? Come on, there's something big and stinky. Right in front of us. What do we see here? Come on now. Don't be shy. Double top, right? So if you could imagine, again, going back to this candle, where we saw the big old spike. Spike up, spike down, now we're spiking back around again. You saw this big old spike rally up there, right? At a point in time, price action is trading here. And again, I'm not saying you should do this, but this is how I used to trade the range bar charts. You can look for different clues, right? Price action is trading up around here. You know this could be one of two things, right? This could be a legit breakout where we go to the moon and never look back, or this can be a bait trap, right? You look on a range bar chart, right? This is all happening real time, by the way. It happens really, really fast, right? You see price come up. You see price retrace. This is normal, right? You're thinking, okay, we come up, we take a breather, and then what are you expecting next? An extension, right? For a breakout, this would be an extension. And you see us hold here. And you're like, right? Because if this is a trend, we should continue higher. Now, you could look to enter right here, right? I'd wait for some type of confirmation, lower low, lower close. You could look to enter right here. Still super risky in my opinion, but you could. The better place to enter would be where? If you're looking for some more confirmation, what do you think a good place to enter would be at? Right? And we spoke about earlier how I shared with you guys having multiple ways to attack a market. This is the beautiful thing about, as you develop as a trader and you develop more tactics and more knowledge, you look for less type of trades, I guess you can say, but you have more ways to attack them. Yet Phil, dead on, right? Break of the V, right? And this goes back to the basics rules of price action, right? We have our structure swap ice zone right here. Everything we need to know. Break of the V, right? If I actually click the button, there we go. So another way, if you're aggressive, Tom was using limit orders earlier. If you're super aggressive, a breakout trader, right? Sell stop order, right? Soon as price action breaks this V, right? Put it a couple pips below, boom, you're in aggressively. Or if you want more confirmation, this is a range bar chart, so you won't have to wait long. If you want more confirmation, not as aggressive as just a sell stop order, because it could wick you and go back up, then, right, L3C, right? Lower low, lower close for confirmation. Bang. If you want more than an L3C, what's the next step, right? I'm giving you guys so many tools to get involved. What's the next step? What can you look for next? We got a double top. We got break of the V. We got break and close below the V. Lexus said, yep, 2618. Lynn, yep, well done. Yeah, pullback. Pullback trade, right? Pullback. And however you trade the pullback, lower low confirmation, wherever you need after that, right? So again, this is more of the day trading stuff, which I kind of miss, but I don't miss spending time in front of my charts. This is hectic, and it caused me to lose all my hair. But Gregory was talking about this the other day, where it's like, we were having a conversation about, using clues for the lower time frame. This is a good example of, again, higher time frame. You got a spike. in my opinion, there's probably nothing you could do here to sell. But a lower time frame, and this is why I love the range bars, because even compared to like a 5-minute chart, probably won't show you much. It's probably going to show you a bunch of, like this is stupid. Like, can you do anything here in the 5? This is dumb, right? There's nothing you can do here in the 5. But why I like the range bar charts is because it gives you a different, because prices printed not off of a time duration, but you get a better look at pure movement, right? Range bars, tick charts, stuff like that. You get a better look at pure movement. If you're a good analyst, right? Pure movement, you can see the different ebbs and flows and the different opportunities that it gives. Even right here's another one, right? Lower low, lower close. Boom, you can look at this as a double head and shoulders as well. Now, if you're someone who's on the platform, we do have a course talking about day trading and specifically the range bar charts. If you want to check that out, just go down to the day trading course, kind of click that deal, open up it a little bit, and you can see different lessons on here talking about range bar trading as being part of it, not the whole thing, but part of it. Also, if you're not on the platform, hey, get on the platform. We have a 14-day trial membership. It gives you 14 days on the platform. You can play around, take a few courses, talk to the community, and check out some live resources. Just a reminder, however, we're shutting down for the year as far as the live resources go on December 21st. So if you want to join and hop in some live sessions, do so before the 21st. But don't worry, all of the ones before that are also recorded, so you can always go back and watch the live sessions recorded if you want. Anyway, get on the platform, 14-day trial membership, www.tier1trading.com. Look forward to seeing you there.